would do soda versus Mentos. We have Fanta, crushed grape, Sprite, zero sugar Coke. Let's get started.
Yeah! Now let's watch it explode.
I would do zero Coke because I don't mind.
One. Oh. I see a Mentos. This is Mentos. Okay.
Oh, look at that. Which one do you think was the highest one?
That one.
No, I think this one was.
Yeah, no, it was this one.
This one, right?
Look at my head.
Zero sugar.
That's the
And I
highest.
think this was the second highest.
Yeah, I was going in there like, I have four in my hand.
I have two.
Then, my hand.
In this experiment, we have Diet Coke, Pepsi, Coca-Cola versus Mentos.
Watch it for it explode. Which one sticks bigger? That one.
It seemed like it was the Coca-Cola.
We're gonna learn how to do elephant toothpaste. Yay!
For the elephant toothpaste, the kids is going to use Salon Care for your volume clear, measuring cup, dish liquid, active dry yeast, cups, experimental glass, food coloring, and these spoons. Kids, make sure you wear your safety eyewear and gloves during the experiment. Now let's get started. Make sure you assist the kids with the Salon Care as you pour into the measuring cup and experimental glass. Now I'm going to pour the Salon Care into the measuring cup first. Which experimental glass I'm going to use first? Okay, just put it down.
Wings.
Okay. And this one we're going to use less than half because it's a smaller glass.
Water bottle.
It's like water, right? Perfect.
We're gonna add water into the cups. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of yeast. No. Smells good. Let's mix. Mix with this tiny little baby spoon. Is that what working there? Or not? Gonna add the dish liquid. Right here. Oi. Big deal. Now let's see what color we're gonna use. Blue. Pink. Purple. And blue.
You got purple.
Yes,
You got paint and you got blue. It's gonna come out nice. Let's see.
and a screen. Yep. And
Lime green.
dark green. Mine's just turned to dark green. Me too. Whoa, look at that. Yours looks black. It's mixing in. Mixing it. Look at that, kids. Look at that. Isn't it green? Look. I see purple and green, and I don't see nothing. Mine looks black and dark green. Mine looks blue and green and purple. Yes. For these. Mine's just coming up. Wow! Wow, look at mine, it's light blue. Nice. Oh, look at your dog! See?
Wow, look at that.
Oh, that's a big one. Look, just look at my fat. I look at mine. Look at mine. Yours, what happened to yours? It looks. Look, everyone, look, everyone, look. It's flooding him. Oh no, it's getting stinky. Look at mine. Look, it's coming to us. Look. No. It's coming to us. It's looking. Oh, look, everybody. It's coming to us. Look. It's just going so slow, like island to island.
Now in this next experiment, the kids are gonna do elephant toothpaste without using water.
No water, kids. No water. Water.
Okay.
Put the dish real quick. Pink. Pink. Dark blue. Which is pink. Here it goes. And then dark green, light blue. Light green. And then purple. Ah, you made me rush up. Pink.
That's a lot of colors.
Let's see if it looks just like that. Goes in there. Purple didn't still make it? Now I made it. Let's put these. Watch the chemical reaction. Look at that. Is that beautiful? Mine's just bubbles. So she can look. Mine just came out. Mama. Look at that.
Wow.
I see a bubble right there. Cloudy. Now yours is. Oh, and that's not watching these. Puffer. Yes. Let's see a little bit of yeast right here. There's the bananas. You're not a master. What are you talking about? Look at that. I put the toothpaste. Oh, it's much. Oh, my fingerprints right there. I see a little tiny finger. Where? Right there. What's it? Grease. Ah, what is that grease thingy? And what is that? It looks like sprinkles on a thing like ice cream. Ah.
Now kids, yeast
touched it. The lava. Who's lava? 10, 9, 8.
The kids is going to do fizzy bath bombs, collectible surprise toys. Let's see that fizz.
Oh! I see bubble right there.
Whoa, look at those colors.
Purple and
Oh, we got a toy. What's that surprise toy? Get the toy out.
Get it out.
What's that you have?
A puppy. Has a hat.
Put a hat on?
There's one in the sinking. Take it out. Take it out. Is that neat? Is it?
Oh no!
Oh, what is that? Come here. Hey, wait. Is this a brain?
That looks like a brain. What is that one?
Maybe it's a tree. We are flying with the rainbow.
Like he got something.
Oh, it's mixing.
Wow, look at those colors.
Go down. Mix. Oh, mix. Potato. That's say what? What is? Oh, look what I found.
What's that you have?
Oh, I dropped it. What is this? I don't got this. Touch it from my toy. What is my toy there? It's like a monster.
A monster?
Yeah, a monster. Master Doodoo. Master Doodoo. I go back
What you
in.
have?
A blow block. What is that? A blow block. A blow block? Who's?
Let me see. What you
Ah! He fell in the pool. He's in the pool.
Don't it smell so good? It's a lot of bubbles. It smells so good.
I found a watch. It's a watch.
Oh,
And I found a germ.
nice.
Found a germ. A germ.
Germ.
Yes. A germ. I took it out. It's a yard. That's yours. It just fell out. And part of this.
That's part of the
Oh, I just had a bubble in my hand. And the one. Oh, I broke it. My toe. Oh, a spider. Look, he's here.
spider.
Oh, that's nice. Is it
Oh.
Here are the emeralds.
So what you have? You have the watch,
And the doggy.
the doggy, and the germ. You said. And what else you have?
You have the brainy, the duty, and a spidey.
The next one we have is the rainbow.
Oh!
Oh, look at the rainbow. Now this one don't have no collectible surprise toys inside. It smells so good.
I'm looking at the bottom. Look at the bottom. Look at my hands, really. Ooh, Memphis. I'm gonna do this. So it fizz, so it can turn to rainbow. Everything turn. Look at that
Oh,
rainbow.
it's fizzy.
It's rainbow. Turn to all bubbles, the blue one. And a green it's one. Orange and green. I see peach. And purple. I see peach in there. No, excuse me. Now rainbow fingers. Look, and fizzy. Look at that. Ooh, it's open. It's open? Inside? Oh. Yeah, now you have rainbow fingers. It looks, it's purple, blue, purple, blue, with red, yellow, and orange right here. Green, right, and red.
Orange, purple,
And green.
blue,
Green, red.
green, yellow,
Orange.
and orange.
Orange. Green, orange, and peanut butter. Peanut butter. That's a peanut butter? Yeah, because jelly is Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.